Hello, my name is Kanji Koda. We're on 699, and we are now limited to a cyan explosion, a yellow explosion, and an orange explosion, and we have nothing else besides that. We are kind of cutting down our memory usages for reasons. In the ARTGIRL shader strings within shader number 8, which is the bombs for Josh shader, within our main function, within the let the motherfucker burn loop, within where's my fire tile, sorry, what's my fire tile, not where. And if we scroll down here into the section, we have this hexabath fad section, and we have modified some things. So you can look at this commentary here. This means don't do it. This means close but wrong. Close but is wrong, and this means we're done. So this little refactor that I wanted to do, changing the 7 to 3, that's done. This 3 is right there. FX4 is a special effects index. It can be 0, 1, 2, or 3. So it stands for special effects, FX, and the 4 is a capacity, right? So 4 values is 0, 1, 2, or 3 inclusive. VU is a value unit. Notice that this is a U32 that we're declaring right here, and we are putting a scope around this so that this variable will not escape here, because we're just going to use it for this lookup table. The V16 value, which originally was going to be used for 15 different unique explosion animations and a nothingness explosion, we're not going to do it that way anymore. We are still going to extract the V16 here, which is in the 4 most significant bits, but then we're going to take that V16 and we're going to mask it, and we're going to look at the 2 least significant bits of this 4-bit number, which is the FX4 value. So we're only going to have 4 special effects now rather than 15. We're going to take the FX4 and put it into the FX4 to hex color lookup table, and we're going to get out the RGBA color for the FATA explosion, and that is all we're doing in here. Here's what we did previously, and here's some updated footnotes, and then we have footnotes down here. So yeah, we are just massively refactoring things and slimming down some of the design, and if you want a longer explanation on why we're doing what we're doing, I have a much more in-depth explanation right here on Ninja Coder. Just go to Ninja Coder, go to the playlist number 7, and look for video 699, where there will be a longer explanation. You are on the fast playlist, the advanced playlist. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I am making a rendering engine and a game engine and a server from complete scratch.